Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So name is MyWeb, and in the last video we were working on the brand form which is open in my pop-up model. As you can see in this pop-up model, we first select a category of like this grocery, and like this we can type anything like wait, and when we click on the save, it's saved into our database, as you can see in our PHP admin. So now in this video we are just going to fetch all the data from our database. So now just begin with this code, and I'm also opening my category.php file, and I copy this some things like the number of records per page, because you also work on the pagination, so we don't do more, we want to do less and work more. Okay, so I just copied this same line from the category.php and just paste it over here. Okay, as you can see we got the same thing, and after that I just copy this same line again from this side, like when I go going back to my table row. Okay, and what we need to start, okay, I just finished this line. Okay, and once I write something like this, like table row, and then change the parameter of the first parameter is brand, obviously, and once I click on and write, and when I take a ID like td table data, sorry, that's my bad. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, now when you get the brand ID, so just echo $row, and the table name and the brand name is, so the first primary key name is brand underscore ID. And now let's check in the browser first. Okay, just save it and check in the browser. Just refresh it. Okay, undefined variable number of records per page. Okay, we forgot to take this. Yeah, now that's cool. Now check in the browser again. Okay, now we have the 1 2 3 4. Now let's check with this, which is the brand underscore name, brand underscore slug underscore name, and it's a brand underscore category underscore ID. So I just copy this and type brand underscore name, brand underscore slug underscore name, and just check in the browser again for confirmation. And when I click on the refresh, we got the Samsung and the category name. Okay, okay, so I think we don't need a slug name, so we can simply put the brand underscore category underscore ID. So brand underscore category underscore ID, and after that we need to put the date, which is brand underscore created underscore at. Now check in the browser and refresh, and in the section of the edit, we just need a button. So button is btn.btn -primary, and which is edit now. For now we are working later, and delete and sorry, it's delete, and here is we have the danger. Now let's check in the browser. Okay, so we have all the data, but now we don't need the ID. We need to face the category name in the brand list. So what can I do? I just take a left join. So I just take a space in the same field, because in the brand, and it's left join, and it's a category. It's a category on brand at brand underscore category underscore ID equals to category dot category category underscore ID. Okay, let's check, is there any error or not. Okay, it's working fine. Now just change the name of the category name from our database. When you see once I go back to my category table, you can check, you can see we have the category underscore ID, and also we have the category underscore name. Okay, so I just change the name, so category underscore name. Now let's save and check in the browser and save, refresh. As you can see, now we have the Samsung brand name, category name. Okay, let's check our pagination are working fine or not. So let's check again with our pagination class. So again, I just copy this whole URI of the pagination class and just copy this and paste it over here after the table class. Okay, and yes, okay, we have the same thing or working fine. Okay, we have done another. Here you can see in the line number 94 object pagination, and here is our brand table. Okay, yeah, I think everything is fine now. So let's save and check in the browser and refresh. Okay, so actually we have only one pagination because we don't have much more than 5 tables. So I just change the number of records of the records per page. So it's a save and convert into 2 and refresh. Now we have the 1 and 2, and when we click on the second page we have the 3 and 4. Okay, now it's working fine. Okay, now I'm going back to my page and just put it 5 and check in the browser. Okay, so in next video we are working on the edit button of this brand page. We're in the next video we are working on the editing the brand name and select the table name. Also we can also work on the delete page. So let's meet you soon in the next video with making take the actions against the brand tables. So meet you soon in the next video, and stay with me. Happy coding.